Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accounting Concept with Praful. Today we're gonna learn some Excel functions, that is index, match and VLOOKUP. Let's start with VLOOKUP. What VLOOKUP does, it gives a result for a leftmost column of desired column. Say in our case for Modi, we have yoga and 9 in 2 and 3rd respective column. So VLOOKUP, we choose VLOOKUP, then table array, then column index, that is either 2 or 3. In this we will select 2, and range lookup, that is false, and close a bracket yoga. I can use 0 instead of false, it gives the same result, but don't use true, otherwise it gives approx result, which is not correct in our case. For your revision, we'll use the same formula for bidden. We look up, then lookup value table array, column index, that is 3 and 0, so we'll get 8.5. For macron, I am using lowercase, but in database it's in proper case, though cases are different, but we'll get the same result. Column index, that is second, then range lookup 0. For your reference, I am highlighting both with yellow color. So I hope you are clear with VLOOKUP. Now we'll go for index. What index does? Index gives a reference value for intersection point of row and column. Like in our case, this is our database. Then row number is Modi, so I select 2. Column, I want a value against Modi, so again in the column I select 2, and I'll get the result yoga. So match, what match does, match gives us a row number for a particular value. Like in our case, lookup value, that is from name to name. Then for match, I'll select lookup value, that is Modi, because I want a value related to Modi. Then lookup array, that is 2. Then I select 0 and close the bracket, so I'll get the second, because Modi is in this second row. Now we'll use index and match simultaneously, and look at the magic. We can use this index match combo for substitute of VLOOKUP. Index, then array, that is our database, then row number. For row number, I'll use match. Match, then lookup value, that is Modi, and lookup array, that is column C. 0, I need exact match. Now the column number, I need column number 2, so I put 2 and close the bracket, so that I'll get the value of yoga. Now I want a value from right to left, so I'm writing yoga, and I want a value who is left side of yoga, that is Modi, so I'll use index and match. Index array, that is our database, match lookup value, that is yoga, lookup array, that is a database for the match, that is column D, then 0 and close the bracket. Now I want a value in column 1, so I put 1 here. If I put 3, then I'll get 9. So it's very simple, is it? And now what are the benefit of index match over VLOOKUP? Sorry, we can find any value in any direction from left to right as well as right to left, and VLOOKUP is very clumsy formula. Like if we have massive database, plenty of data, and if you use VLOOKUP, then sometimes Excel will hang. If you use index match, though it will hang if database is there, but less than VLOOKUP. So that is the end of our video, and I hope you liked it. And if you like it, then press like button, share with your friends, family member, and in your WhatsApp group. Please don't forget to subscribe it, and if you have subscribed, then press the bell button. Thank you. We'll see in the next video. And if you want some topic, please comment in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you.